In this video, I'll tell you how to write a letter to Santa. First, get a piece of paper. The first thing we need to do is write a greeting. That means saying hello to Santa. For example, you can write Dear Santa. You should write this at the top of your piece of paper. Now it's time for step 2. In step 2, you need to tell Santa who you are so he knows who wrote the letter. You can write your name and how old you are. For example, my name is Emma. I'm 10 years old. Now it's time for step 3. In step 3, you should mention something good or kind that you did this year. For example, I've been good this year. I helped my mom clean up. Now it's time for step 4. You should ask Santa politely for 1 or 2 presents that you would like. For example, please bring me a doll and a puzzle for Christmas. And now we have one more step. In step 5, we have to say thank you to Santa and say goodbye. For example, thank you, love, Emma. You can also decorate your letter and draw pictures of candy canes or Santa, snowmen, or anything you like. And once you're finished writing your letter, you can give it to your parent or guardian, and they will mail the letter to Santa for you. Merry Christmas to all of you, and I hope this video helped you write your letter to Santa. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in our next video.